subscribe to my channel. I'm in here with my family, friends, everybody from where we from, Studio. And it's a funeral in here. Got the pastor, Mr. Cigar. Boy, Bird had a big. We in here today. A lot of people in here. A lot of people.
If we're going to be a society and a cultural system, we have to be honest with ourselves first.
I can't say it, but I see my cousin JoJo over there. In between now, that's Joker. That's Joseph. Boy, this family big, man. This big. Everybody know everybody. That's Fat Jack in the blue shirt right here. You gotta turn it to me. That's the baby brother, Fat Jack. It's a bunch of us in there.